Hi guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well. Today is our second day, and this is the second part of the video. We developed our last video for the administrators only, and especially for those who are being working as a resellers, and if they want to configure the CRM for their clients as well. And the second thing is if the administrator who can manage the complete setup of the CRM. So basically the last video was based only for the administrator and the resellers point of view. So today is this is the second part of the video of Isolate ERP CRM. So today we will cover how the user can operate the CRM. Before going to start the second session, I would like to request to all the viewers to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and leave your comments on my video. Let's start the today's session. So today we will cover up how to use the CRM. Here you can see some optional and mandatory fields. So the name and the contact number, product portfolio, lead source, country, and city. These are all the mandatory fields. So you have to fill these fields at anyhow, and rest of all other like email, company address, profession, remarks. These are all the optional fields. So it's up to you if you want to use it, otherwise it's okay. So let me put up the dummy data. These are the optional fields, so I want to ignore it. So main product, choose the product portfolio.
Well, I already told you about the product portfolio, lead source, all these drop downs, where they are comes from. So if you want to know more about how we can create the new items against these drop down menus, so it could be better for you to watch my last video, the part 1 of this CRM. Well, here we should also discuss about the duplication leads. So we already marked two checks on the duplication. First one on the name and the second one on the contact number. So
duplication check on the contact number, and if you want to upload or punching the multiple contact number in a same lead, so it will automatically refuse or deny the duplication of contact number. So let me put up the contact number like 0102 or okay. So let me select, let me save it. This button is used if you want to upload any files, any document against this lead, like the brochures or any publicity materials. Then you can use the select file and select the right file and click on say open. Just click on save to save the leads. This is the first step. So if you want to see where it's gonna be move the save data, so you can just need to click on the save lead uploader, say lead list, sorry. Here you can see the leads reflecting here. So this is the basically lead, and you can see the select the unchecked box. So this is the first thing, how to create the leads. And this lead is basically unassigned lead, so you have to assign it, but first let me tell you how to create the leads in a bulk. There are two options we developed. The first one is you can punch the manual lead through the sale lead. Okay, by using this form you can save the leads. If you have a bulk data, like if you run the Facebook campaign, Meta campaign, and the Meta will and run the booking form campaign. The first thing is for those clients or for those people who want to get the integrations with the social media platform. Let me update you that this CRM is basically fully capable to integrate with the and communicate with all social media platforms, and it also have capacity to integrate with the third-party applications like SAP, Dynamics, and other any ERP system. So if you want to use this form as a lead generation form or integrated with the social media platform, so you can use it and use this link over there and start capturing the leads directly. So the second step, if you are using the Excel sheet, like Meta will provide you the Excel sheet and provide you the data, the leads data in the Excel sheet format. So you can visit the sales lead uploader. Here you can see the download sales lead template. You just for the first time you because there is a specific format for uploading a lead, so I designed the download sales lead template over here. So just click on the download sales lead template. Here you can get the Excel template. So just open the sales lead template. This is basically the Excel template. So you can put up the data of your inquiries here. Like if the same here, the mandatory option you must keep in mind too before punching the data in Excel sheet, like ABC test, and I will leave the option as it is, the company and email, because these are the optional fields. So the second thing is portfolio. Let me see what exactly. So keep in mind the product portfolio and the lead source must be same you created in the sale lead form. Let me show you the sale lead form product portfolio. Here are defined the dummy product portfolio. So if I want to choose the by product, main product, or GENERAL, general, and Facebook, the lead source are Facebook. So let me put up the name same as it is. We define the product portfolio, general, and Facebook. So let me update. Okay, so the thing is Pakistan. The city name and the country name also must be same in spellings, in like you created in the drop down menu to map the data as it is. And let me check it again. What we define the country and state, like Pakistan and Lahore. Okay, let's save this file on our desktop. Test template. Let's open the sale lead uploader and select the date when you want to upload the sale leads. Click on the browse, upload the file, and click on upload. And you can see make sure that the message of success must be appear once the lead will be uploaded. So you can see that sale lead import process has been completed successfully. All sale leads in files are imported. And if in case you will see an error, so you just click on the message. So an Excel sheet will automatically be pop up, and you will see the exactly the error of of the uploading leads. So you can discuss with me on my discussion board. You can go to the website ctproducts.net and go to the discussion board and type your paste your issues over there. So I will try to reply as soon as possible and resolve the issues. And just go to the sale lead list, and you can see that both the manual punching leads and the uploading leads both are, you will see over here. If you want to export the leads into Excel, to just click on the export to leads and you will get all the leads in an Excel sheet. So the next step is, here is the searching bar. So if you want to find anything about the leads, like the contact number, contact person name, about the product portfolio, anything you can type here, like AHSAN. You can see that the SN leads is only reflecting here. So by using this search bar, you can find any kind of leads here. Also you can see the date range here, and the next one is the advanced filters. Click on it, advanced filters, and you can see the created by the username here, and the second one is product portfolio, and the third one is status, like the lead is assigned or unassigned. So one thing is very important to know here, that you can see the checkbox here. The meaning of this checkbox is this lead is still unassigned, and you never assigned this lead to any team lead. So once you will select on the checkbox and select all the leads, or whatever, how many leads you want to select it, click on the select bar, and if you want to assign, there are three options you can see here. The first one is move upward, the second one is move downward, and the third one is assign to specific. The purpose of the usage of move upward is if you want to assign the leads the above organogram, like let me show you the top organogram. Click on the organization unit. Suppose you are admin here, okay, or you are the agent and you are logging through the manager portal, and if you want to assign the leads through the upward section, then leads automatically assigns among these two peoples, these two users, equally. And the second option was move downward. Suppose you are logging through admin or through the agent, and you want to assign the bulk leads automatically towards the downward flow. So let me see, where is it, where we are. Go to the sale lead list, and you can also open the leads through by right click and open a new tab. So let me assign the bulk leads to the move upward, move downward, not assign to specific. So the assign to specific is used for if you want to assign the leads to any agent, like these are the agents admin, SN and test ABC. By clicking on the assign to specific, a new pop-up will be you will see the new pop-up, and here you can see all the users. Who are these users? This is a very good question. You can let me show you how these users come from. So I already told you before in the last my lecture, map branch with project. This is the form where you can map the users with the project and the branch. If you map the users with the project and branch, only though you can see the users here, only those users will see who already mapped with the project and branches by yourself. Okay, so if you want to assign the leads to the ASN. Okay, let me check where is the, what is exactly the ID of agent. This is basically the ID agent is, so is the agent, yes. Log in with the edit agent, and let me see what is the ID edit. Yes, sn@gmail.com. Okay, so let me assign to the both leads to the ASN and click on the save, and you can see here the message, success message, say leads successfully assigned to selected users. Okay, so let me log out to this screen and log into the agent portal, AGENT, put the name of the username, and password is ABC. Yes. So I am now on the screen of the agent. I'm logging through the agent portal. Well, you can see all the leads assigned by your company, by your administrator, and these are the basically opportunities. Well, the term sale lead defines there in suppose in some organizations there are some certain KPIs, and there are two types of KPIs normally. The first one is the company wants the sales team to generate the leads by their own efforts, and the second one, and definitely company provides the leads to the sales teams for their support to generate the deals. Sales teams generate by their own efforts is definitely called the sale leads, and the second one is those leads, basically these are the opportunities for the sales team. The leads provided by the company to the sales team is called the opportunity for the sales team. Here you can see the opportunity section. This is the opportunity list form, and you can see the date range here. Same the export to the Excel sheet, and you can see the filter box here, the contact person name, salesman, product, activity performed, and the refresh button. So all those leads you can see here. I already assigned before through the administrator portal. You can see the product remarks and status of this against these leads. The most important things here to learn, basically if you assign and you receive any opportunity from your company, from your administration from, and this is basically the unattended activity. Until and unless you will never perform any activity against these leads, it means you never performed any single activity against these leads. Once you will mark any activity on against these leads, then the status will automatically be changed. If you want to transfer the opportunities to any of any your team members, so the same criteria, move upward for the upward organogram, move downward, use for the downward organogram, and if you want to assign to any the leads, the selected leads to to any specific user, then click on the assign specific user and check the box of the user and mark save. And I want to use these leads by myself, so I want to perform any activity. So for the activity, click on the action button, create the activity, and you can see a new window. Here you can see the general information section and the detail information section. Then the first information you required for the against the leads are the most important thing is contact number. At first you want to see the contact name, contact person, and the city the leads come from. Okay, and you can see the detail information, the product portfolio. you will see that what exactly this leads wants. Here you can see the activity drop down and activity date, follow-up activity, follow-up date, and status. Okay, you can see the red marks here. Okay, these are the basically mandatory fields, so you have to select these options. Anyhow, there are two types of activity. One is you are performing now, and the second is follow-up activity you will be performed in future. So first, if I want to call this lead, and then I put the activity call, and today is 21st. I select the 21st and the 21st here, and the time is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 02. I mark this activity here in the same time. During the conversation, we decided to set up a wizards in future. So I have for my follow-up activity, I set up a wizard. I mark this follow-up activity as a setup wizards for 2 days later. Okay, and the meeting time is 9, 10, 11 a.m. Well, the term sale lead defines some organizations. There are some certain KPIs, and there are two types of KPIs normally. The first one is the company wants the sales team to generate the leads by their own efforts, and the second one, definitely company provides the leads to the sales teams for their support to generate the deals. Those leads the sales teams generate by their own efforts, called the sale leads, and the second one is those leads, basically these are the opportunities for the sales team. The leads provided by the company to the sales team is called the opportunity for the sales team. Okay, let me choose the start, and here I want to put the remarks. You want to visit office after tomorrow. Okay, and let me click on the save, and here you can see the activity performed listing in the list menu. Okay, here the listing shows the transaction date, activity you performed is call, activity date is this, product portfolio main product, follow-up activity setup wizards, follow-up dates is 9/23, 2022, and what exactly the discussion was with this client is here you can see. And now here you can see the status is pending. It means today is not 23rd. Once on the same date, it means after tomorrow, this you will see the to-do list here. You can see the to-do list here. Basically, the core objective of to-do list is to intimate and give you the information about how many pending calls you have for the today. Today is not 23rd. I mark the follow-up date of last opportunity was 23rd, and I change the date 21 to 23rd. Okay, you will see here the to-do list. On 23rd, you will see automatically the status will convert it from pending to the due, and if in case if you will never perform any activity against this to-do list, then this activity will convert it from due to overdue. Suppose if you want to perform any activity against this task, then you just click on the action button and click on activity done. Then once you will click on the activity done, it means you are performing the activity. It doesn't matter it's gonna be future activity or the current activity. Just click on the activity done. Here you can see the automatically activity performed appeared in the activity section. And if you set up the client wizard, now the next setup is next activity is follow up, and the follow-up date is 24th, and the process is middle, and the same is need follow-up. Okay, just click on the save button. You will see the opportunity list here, and if you want to see the activity log against, in here you can see the activity performed. The first one is yes, the second one is no. It means definitely there is a single activity performed against this lead, and this lead is still unattended. So if I want to see the activity log, just click on the action button and click activity log here, and drop down the slider, and you can see the activity you perform. The first activity was the status is done. It means you perform the activity against this task, and now you have set up the new task against the first activity. So this task is already done, and this is the pending task. It means you will perform the activity and against this task in future on 24th.
Set up two activities against close win and close lost. So once you open the opportunity list, and if you don't see any activity while opening the page, so don't worry, because it means that there is no activity in to date. So just use the date range, click on the last 7 days and here you can see the activities, opportunities basically. So just click on one thing is very important here to remember is, do not mark any activity against the status yes. Create the activity against those opportunities you never performed any activity before. So once you perform the activity against any opportunity, then do not mark the next opportunity from this form. Just go to the to-do list, and here you can see all the task list, because to-do list you will see all the daily activities or the pending tasks here against all the opportunities. So just use this form for mark the activities on daily basis. So just click on action button and click activity done, and here you can see the customer activity page, and here I just want to use the follow-up activity and mark the status close win. And now click on save. Just put the remarks against the close win, that what exactly the deal parameter is, and click on the save button. And here you can see a new here you can see the deal parameter screen, and you can see the deal parameters, and select the dealer name, because there is no dealers here, so just mark as it is, don't need to select this one, and just click on the product and select the right products you make the deal against this opportunity. And select the deal category and mention the product price. If you make the deal on installment, then mention the monthly installment and mention the duration as well. Mark the active or inactive and click on the save button. Once you mark the close win activity, then there is no activity generated against the opportunity list. So and here you can see that the only single task is showing here, and once you mark the close win activity, then it's not created the new task against the opportunity, because once you mark the activity against status close win and close loss, it means you want to move or shift the activity from
to-do list or opportunity list to close win or close loss. So if you want to see that where the activity is available now, so just click on close won list, and here you can see the close won leads. So one thing is very important here to discuss, that if you want to integrate this close one list with your third party ERP application, because we already developed our own financial module, and later on I will show you how it will works. And we already defined the integration with CRM of CRM with the financial system. So if your clients or your organization want that third party integration with the any ERP system, so we already have the APIs of third party integration, so you can move the data from here automatically on the once you mark the deal close won, then the data will automatically move from close won to your financial system. So if you required or your any client required this kind of integration, then you can just text me on the discussion board. I will provide you the APIs document and will support you in the for the integration system. Now let's mark the activity against this task, and now we can pass the activity against the status close lost. So select the follow-up activity and select the status close loss, and click on the, let's mention the remarks here. Not interested, and click on the save button. Here you can see a new window screen, the reasons, what exactly the reasons it asking for the close loss leads. So just select the right reason, and if you want to create another options against the reasons drop down, so you can use the master setups for creating the for creating the required options according to your requirements. So let's select the required reason, click on the save button. If you want to see the close lost opportunity list, then click on the close loss opportunity and use the export to Excel, or here you can see the date filter. So if you want to see all the close loss opportunities, then use this form. And the most important thing, these opportunities are not basically used for the further activities, so this is basically the end point of the CRM. Well, guys, today's we learn about how to manage the CRM, and we start from the generating the leads, punching the leads, manual punching, and bulk uploading the leads, and leads assignments, and transfer of leads, and leads close loss and close win. So if you want to ask any questions for related to today's session, then please just log into my screen, www.ctproducts.net/discussion boards, and leave your remarks and questions over there, and hopefully I will respond you back as soon as possible. And thank you so much for your time, and just once again I request you to please subscribe and like my channel and leave your remarks on it. Thank you for watching us. Have a good day. Bye bye.